sunshines. Hang on. So today is my day off, Wednesday, and me and Navia, I gotta go doctor, so I'm gonna bring her along, and then we gotta do, what is going on here? What is going on? Doctor, then we gotta go to the post office and change my address. Look at her. And it's a hot day today. Look at her. Look at her. She's happy. You're happy. And then maybe we'll see what we're gonna do, but probably come home after. Turn around and you like look that way, yeah? She was like, look at me. Alrighty, so update. I want to try do my change my address like when I first moved, and I did it online. Then you gotta pay like $120, and then you gotta go and show your ID. So when I went to show my ID in Kapolei post office, then she said, "Oh, I need to bring in my lease." Okay, so I went home, and then I just weren't able to do it until now, and then when I went to the one in Eva Beach post office, the guy said, "Oh, what? We didn't need your lease, just needed your ID." So why did she ask for? You know what I mean? It's just like humbug. But anywho, I changed my address, and that was just like, if you guys are, that was just like a humbug to go to Kapolei. But if you guys no need to go Kapolei, go to Eva Beach is better. Yeah, so anyways, that's my thing. It's just kind of irritating, but I had to pay another dollar something to get it done. Yeah, but anyways, we are done with the doctor. We're going home and just stay home. It's hot out here. But anyways, we'll see what we're gonna do next. I know I'm hungry. I'm gonna see what I can. I'm gonna probably make French toast, like one slice of French toast and Portuguese sausage. Ooh, that sounds good. So that's what I'm gonna cook. Okay, guys, I'm going to be. I put some milk in there and an egg, and we're gonna be making my French toast and some cinnamon. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat 2 pieces of bread. Guys, today I will be using, let's see, I will be using this bread today, Artisano Golden Wheat from Sara Lee. And one thing about this bread, it's pretty thick. Look at that. It's pretty thick. First time eating this one, but I feel like it's gonna be great for French toast, right? Butter, okay. That was perfect for just 2 pieces of milk. Perfect. 1 egg and some little bit milk. I will just put on the top some cinnamon. I don't really like thick bread, but if I'm using it like in French toast, I think this is perfect for French toast because it's pretty nice and thick. Right, that's a lot. Okay, I'm not a chef. I'm just a person cooking her breakfast at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm done. I just need the butter on here. It's always gonna be good with butter. Oh, look at that. Put a little bit of that on there, why not? And then I got some of the Portuguese sausage cooking right now. So that's the Portuguese sausage. I got 4 or 5. Okay. 4.5. We're gonna try this maple syrup that I did purchase from Target. Let's just see first. Okay. Tastes okay. Mm. I'm gonna have a cup of milk with it. Hey guys, good afternoon. So I just went to the doctor because my knee is swelling up again and my foot is getting sore again. So we just got some prednisone again, and that's just how it is now. It's gonna be in pain all the time. It flares up. It's good for a little while. For my knee, I got injured. My doctor put some PRP shots inside, but I don't know. Only now it's starting to feel pain. Before it wasn't pain, even though it's swelling. But that's the breaks when you fall and slip and fall at work. People they didn't have no wet floor signs, and the person that wet the floor didn't even say anything. Yeah, so once you get hurt, it's just always gonna be messed up. This is pretty good. I never eat this in a long time. Just a little bit more syrup. Oh yeah. And I got my milk and this. It's a hot day today. So I'm going to finally taste the Kahuku Hawaiian Vanilla Macadamia Coffee. I'm going to do a French press with it. It smells so good. Oh. It smells good. I'm just gonna put a little bit more inside. Okay, and then we're gonna let that kind of steep in there. Little contraption here, the fudge and some salted caramel. What is it called? Creamer. But yeah, so I'm excited. We're just pushing down the press. PM, and I'm having a taste of this coffee. Why not? Okay, Okay, that should be good enough because it seems like it's really hard. Okay. Seems really light. It's like a light. It seems light, the roast. Or I can smell. Oh, it smells good. See my chocolate floating around. Woohoo. Okay. But I need my syrup, my whipped cream in there. So delicious. Okay, so I want to say that this is going to be my dessert because it's a little bit, it's tasty. It's tasty. I had a little taste of it. So instead of eating junk, I'm going to drink this coffee. Okay, I want to say it's good. I like it. Okay. But that's going to be my little treat. I'm not doing much today, but watching TV and stuff. Kind of relaxing my knee. So relaxing my foot so when I go to work tomorrow that I'll be ready. Oh, and it's 4th of July. We're gonna sell a lot of buns, hot dog buns, and hamburgers. Maybe if you guys wanna come with me to work one day, let me know down below, and I maybe do one video of me working. Not much today. This is the sweetheart. Excuse me, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. How are you? Hi, mama. Oh, you're not feeling good, baby? She gotta do her eyebrows and stuff. Yeah. Oh, my baby. Morning, sunshines. Good morning. It is Thursday and we already have some kind of thing going on before the tunnel. It is about 7 o'clock. Orange chicken. Alright, gang. Stop it. You have to put this on. That's why you're not feeling good. Come on. Be a good girl. Look at the good girl. Hi. Hi, good girl. Good girl. Look, everybody's watching you. Okay. Wait, I gotta put my glasses on. I can't see if it went in. Good girl. Good girl. out. See? That's what I gotta deal with. You gotta put this on or you're not gonna feel good. Your eye gonna be sore. Right? We'll try again later. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna close out the video and start a new one today. Today is 4th of July. Hope you all have a fantastic and safe 4th of July. You guys take care. God bless. We'll see you all in our next video.